Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Janine, I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Sundar the Revenge trailer out. Ranveer Singh goes on rampage as Jaskirat Singh Rangi in Aditya Daur's actioner. The most awaited trailer of Sundar the Revenge is now out. The film is scheduled for a theatrical release on 19 March 2026 by Loveleen Kaur updated on 7 March 2026. After the massive success of Part 1, the audience has been eagerly waiting for the trailer drop of Durandar the Revenge. As promised, the trailer was released today at 11 a.m. And it has the potential to live up to the expectations of the viewers. Take a look. Durandar the Revenge trailer out. Ranveer Singh is also to seek revenge, but this time it's personal. The most awaited trailer of Durandar the Revenge is out, and it's everything the audience has been looking forward to. With an extra dose of action, drama, and suspense, the trailer gives a peek into the upcoming actioner. The 3-minute, 25-second trailer opens with Ajay Sanyal, played by R. Madhavan, being intimidated by terrorists, but the moment he tries to insult the country, Ranveer Singh channels Hamza Ali Mazari and takes them down all at once. After Rahman Decades assassination, Hamza has been wreaking havoc on the streets of Layari. Now the biggest question is who will be Layari's new leader? Here he comes Jaskirat Singh Rangi, a passionate patriot who is trained to be a killing machine so he can go on a rampage to seek revenge from the enemies of his country. Looking at the trailer, it seems like Aditya Dor will be taking the audience back in time to tell the story behind Rangi's effortless transformation into Hamza. Hamza and then Badla uh, is the war cry as Hamza returns to fight SP Chaudhry Aslam and Major Iqbal Arjun Rampal. Dhurandhar The Revenge will make its way to cinemas on 19 March 2026. Pegvilla exclusively revealed that its paid preview shows are scheduled to begin on 18 March, starting from 5 p.m. in India. Since the trailer is up, the ticket bookings for the paid preview are expected to go live shortly. Moreover, the advanced booking will also open soon. The power-packed spy-action thriller is directed and produced by Aditya Dur, Jayati Deshpande and Lokesh Thor are the co-producers presented by Geo Studios. The Revenge will release in 5 languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. Stay tuned to Pangula for more updates. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice